When did you say you were going back to school, young woman?
First thing tomorrow morning.
Have you listed the things you need for your journey?
Nothing much. Just a novel. Written by Kingsley.
What's the name of this novel? Who did you say wrote it? Kingsley. Well, yeah. What's the name of the novel, please?
Sex Engine. Or you could still call it Horror and Vengeance.
What? What sort of novel is that?
You just have to read it first. It's a very educative story. I'm not going to talk about it here. It's already online.
Very well then. How much is it?
Just $2. But, in Nigerian currency, it's about 300 naira.
Alright then. You'll get to my office. Right?
Thank you, Dad.
Grab your copy now. Sex Engine by Egbulonu Kingsley.
Sex Engine!
Or call +2348111